Hello chaps, how's it going? Now anytime you're in an app, do you seem to have a bunch of advertisement just pop out of nowhere and it's really annoying? Well, I have found a way to do it and your phone does not need to be rooted and you don't need to be that tech savvy. Let me give you an example. So I'm going to go onto the Daily Mail app. As we can see in the middle, we have this massive Portugal advertisement and at the bottom we've got another advertisement and it's really annoying. Kind of like my voice. But anyway, enough about my voice. So anyway, how do we get rid of this? Well, we need to download the app, but you don't do it through the Google Play Store. You actually do it off their website. So I'm going to go to Chrome, go to Google Chrome, or whatever web browser, it doesn't really matter which one you use. And all you need to type is block this, and we can see the website at the top here, blockthis.com. So I'm going to click on that. Next, all you need to do is press the install button, and at the bottom, you just got to click download. Okay, that downloaded within 2 seconds, so I'm going to click open. Very quick. Right, so all I need to do now is press install. Now, sometimes it may even pop up saying you need to select unknown sources. Just click that, it'll come up anyway, it's nice and easy. Select that, and then we're going to click open. Now, this is a really cool thing. All you need to do is press the blue button, start and feel the freedom. So I'm going to click that. And it quickly says that it wants to set up a VPN connection that allows you to monitor your network traffic. Basically, it's just saying that it's going to stop the ad from popping up. Okay, so I'm going to click OK. I'm happy with that. So we'll go back to the Daily Mail news article that I was reading. Right, the ad will be there for the time being, but when I go back and go back into it, where is it? There's no advertisement. It's pretty good, isn't it? I was well happy about this. Now, I don't know if this will affect your data speed because it's now going through a VPN, cutting out all the advertisements so it does not show up on your phone. So if your phone was maybe acting a bit slow, maybe you was trying to watch some YouTube videos, all you need to do is go back to the app, and as we can see, it's at the top there. Just press the blue button again. So if I go back to the Daily Mail one more time and go back on the story that I was reading, look, advertisements popping up again. And it's annoying, just like my voice. So that is all you have to do. And, you know, it's really easy. It's really easy. So you'll be able to do it. So there you go. There's your video. I don't know how to end this. I'll end it now. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.